Pirate Beach Resort in Zambales na palaging pinupuntahan ng mga sikat na celebrities. May aesthetic and spacious villas, serene infinity pool, another swimming pool with fun activities, Instagram-worthy spots, bar and restaurant, at marami pang iba. So ano, tara! Yes, summer na talaga. Daman nyo ba mga Vevs? Kaya naman, saan pa ba masarap pumunta kung hindi sa beach, diba? Sa Botolan, Zambales tayo ngayon and we are here. Welcome to Sundowner Zambales. We are really excited to share this amazing place with you guys. Kaya mag-tour na tayo. Syempre, ang una nyo makikita is their lobby because this is where you'll confirm your booking. And dito pa lang for sure, magsisimula na kayo mag-take ng photos dahil ang ganda-ganda. Yung mga upuan, the hanging chairs on the side, love it. Meron din silang shop dito kung saan may swimwears in case na wala kayong nadala or need yun ng extra. May accessories din and souvenirs. When you step out the lobby, may area dito where you guys can lounge. Ayan, another spot to take good photos, diba? And from here, you'll be treated to a breathtaking landscape. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad. The view is simply amazing with lush greenery surrounding the area and vibrant trees swaying gently in the breeze. Kahit saan kayo tumingin, there's a sense of calm and beauty that makes you feel like you've stepped into a peaceful paradise. Dito naman ay magagandang cabanas around the pool area. You'll also see the villas scattered around. Vevs, they look absolutely gorgeous with their all-white exteriors. Napaka-aesthetic. Kaya need nyo magbaon na maraming damit. So as you continue exploring, you'll find the amazing infinity pool that looks like it flows straight into the beach. Grabe, ang ganda-ganda. The water is so clear. Napakasarap talaga lumangoy. Lalo na tirik talaga yung araw. Sobrang refreshing. Plus, the view is just breathtaking. Parang wala ng boundary between the pool and the ocean. Ang calming lang ng vibe with the sound of the waves crashing in the background. And at night, the pool lights up. Napakaganda pa rin. Parang nasa movie yung eksena nyo dyan, ganun. And it gives you that super chill feeling. And of course, anytime, pwede kayo maglakad-lakad or mag-swim sa beach. Ang ganda pa rito kasi hindi siya crowded. You'll feel like you own the whole place. Malambot din yung sand. Masarap mag-take ng photos, tumambay, manood ng sunset and everything. Ang fresh din ang hangin and the sound of the waves adds to the peaceful vibe. Parang walang stress, just pure serenity. And if you're in the mood for a drink or a bite to eat, there's a bar and restaurant right by the pool. The place is a laid-back vibe, IG-worthy pa rin. And ang perfect kasi may enjoy nyo pa rin ng bongga yung view. Bet din namin siya at night kasi parang chill beach party siya, ganun. Lalo na't may mga hard drinks and cocktails sila na ina-offer dito. Tulad nito, para mapasarap lalo yung kwentuhan nyo, diba? Cheers! Sa food, napakaraming pagpipilian. Sa breakfast, may pancakes sila and silog meals. Syempre, sa silog tayo, Vevs. Malaki yung serving, dalawa rin yung eggs, and masarap. May coffee na rin sila here, ha? And tignan nyo naman yung view nyo habang nagbe-breakfast kayo. The best. Tinry din namin yung ribs nila rito nung lunch, Vevs. Tsaka yung gambas pati calamari. Ay, grabe. Sobrang sarap. Tamang-tama yung timpla and super tender din ng meat. And para ma-refresh tayo, nag-order din kami ng fresh mango shake. Yum! Aside pala from the infinity pool, there's another pool area with even more fun activities. Sa pool na to, may mga exciting games like basketball and volleyball. For basketball, may tagkabilang ring dyan. It's a totally new twist on the game. Super fun and challenging talaga. Na-enjoy namin ni Love to. Pwede rin mag-volleyball sa water and it's actually a lot harder than it sounds. Pero sobrang saya. Masaya maglaro while cooling off. Then, there's another pool area specifically for diving. Yes, guys, malalim dyan. And they offer diving lessons then for beginners. Alright, sa villa naman tayo. So, this is where we stayed. Grabe, puting-puti siya, no? Parang kahit tignan mo pa lang, marirelax ka na. We also love na may outdoor space rito. Syempre, ang ganda ng paligid. So, masarap din mag-coffee dito sa morning and mag-bonding sa gabi. Sa side, we have our own private pool. Super intimate siya, as in perfect for those quiet, peaceful moments. It's really just for you, your friends, and family to enjoy, whether you want to dip in and relax or just sit by the poolside. Pasok naman tayo sa loob ng villa. Ang ganda-ganda pa rin. So, may sofa tayo here. Then, ito yung dining area. For dinner, ito palang in-order namin. Busog na busog kami, Vevs, dahil ang sarap ng mga food dito. But, pwede rin kayo magluto. Like, girl, look at that kitchen. Napaka-aesthetic. And it's fully equipped, kaya wala na kayong kailangan pang dalhin gamit panluto. Ito naman yung CR natin dito. Very bali yung vibe niya, diba? And may maliit din tayo na room here with bunk bed. Puntahan natin yung iba pang rooms. Labas tayo dito. Alright, here, may twin beds tayo. Super linis dyan. Tsaka may towels na rin silang provided. Then, yung kabila naman ay yung master bedroom. Ganun pa rin, guys. Napakaganda, comfy, malinis. Meron din tayo dyang sofa bed. Plus, may AC and CR naman bawat room. Then, the last room, ito pang maramihan to kasi may bunk beds tayo. tayo. So, kasyang-kasya kayong lahat dyan, guys. Diba? Perfect. Kung magjowa lang kayong pupunta or mag-asawa, don't worry kasi meron din sila ditong available na couple suite. So, for bookings, you may book through their website at www.sundowners.ph. Dyan yung makikita lahat ng villas na ino-offer nila. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye!